Hello, and welcome to another BNT unboxing video. It's been a while since I've had a Super Nintendo unboxing, so here we are. This is T2, the arcade game. I purchased this a few months back off of Facebook. At the time I bought 5 games. This is one of those 5. I've been slowly going through testing them out, unboxing them, and it's now time for T2 Arcade. This is the Super Nintendo port of the arcade game that, if you were alive and old enough to remember, the Terminator 2 Judgment Day arcade system that would have been around. You can actually see it on the box cover. That's the arcade game. This game actually requires either the Super Scope or the Super Nintendo mouse. As you can see, I clean up the dust right here in the corner. I do not have a Super Scope, but I do have a Super Nintendo mouse, so lucky for me. I have not tried the game out yet. I did load the game up into my retro and was able to copy over the ROM, so I do have a backup of the game, but I have not played this game with the mouse yet. This is just a preliminary unboxing, see what we got all inside. With that wonderful long intro out of the way, let's take a look at what we did get. So the front is in fairly good shape. I've not seen this game elsewhere other than online, so I'm not 100% sure if the colors are correct. The Terminator's face looks like it could be a little bit washed out, but that could be this style going for. But off to the side, we have a little bit of wear on the corner, but overall very clean. The back, or the top side, now the back. Color looks really good. Texas crisp. Other flap, and the bottom. But everything looks pretty good, so let's open it up. Now, I don't remember the amount I paid for this game. I believe I paid something like $70 to $80, $85 for 5 games. So, with all that said, it wasn't a terribly expensive game. But I don't remember how much this particular game was by itself. Now, jumping over to the manual, we have a nice color manual that gives the fun rundown of the game, who the characters are, and then how to play. Looks like you can use the normal controller with this game. However, if it's anything like a first-person shooter not first-person shooter, any game that uses like a light gun, the controller is going to be extremely slow and not going to function as well as you'd like. But here's the manual. It's nice and colorful, not ripped, not torn. Some nice movie clips. Yeah, that's the entire manual. No notes. But there was also a Terminator 2 Judgment Day game, which is advertising. This is not that game. This is a port of the arcade. Hopefully it's not too confusing to anybody. Then we also have the poster. We fold this out. It's some advertisements of other games from a couple of makers, or actually it looks like LJN. And we got some of those right here. They're advertising Mortal Kombat coming out soon. That's pretty exciting stuff. And if you flip on the other side, we have a nice poster. So, if I do take a moment to look at this, look at the box, the colors are all about the same. So, I don't think it's been faded. Glad I was able to verify that. So, let's fold this back up. There we go. Then we have the cartridge, which is in very good clean condition. No dust cover, unfortunately, but otherwise the game is very good. There's a little bit of yellowing, but very, very minor. And then we have the cardboard tray. So that's everything I got with the T2 arcade game. Did not get a registration card or any other material with this game. Registration card probably did come with it, but this this is probably everything else. Like I said, I've not played it yet. I'm looking forward to playing it. But I figure I should go through at least unbox it so I see what's all there. It's been sitting in the corner a little bit too long. And speaking of which, it has been a while since I've done a unboxing video of a video game. I recently did an unboxing of an old Sony CD player. If you'd like to check that out, that just got published recently. It's very, if you like old audio, it's really kind of neat to see all the stuff that was still included in the box of that CD player. And I've been working on some old computer equipment, so I've been jumping back and forth. But I'm trying to get more in the groove of the video games. I do apologize for the long hiatus on the games. It was not planned. But thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos I have. And thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.